Hey everyone, I'm Melissa with Siser North America, and this is Designing with Decals. It's Christmas time here at Siser, so I've got Lily here with me, and we are going to craft together and make some cute little gingerbread men ornaments.
That's right. So I've already filled these little ornaments full of some floor polish and loose glitter, and that's what makes this awesome, cool, glittery ornament that we are going to decorate with all these little bits and pieces of EasyPSV to make a gingerbread face. And along the way, we're going to answer some of your frequently asked questions about EasyPSV.
EasyPSV is pressure-sensitive vinyl. That's what PSV stands for. That means it's adhesive vinyl or sticky back. Basically, you use it for signs and decals and things like that. It's best to clean surfaces, well, non-porous surfaces. So, meaning the water or liquid will not soak into it. So I use isopropyl alcohol mixed with water. And the formula that I use is 70% isopropyl alcohol, 2 parts water, 1 part alcohol. Put that in a little spray bottle with, and use a lint-free cloth to dust off your surfaces. Oh, how cute, you're doing sunglasses.
So yeah, I gotta put glasses on mine because I have glasses.
You sure can. Just make sure that your paint is completely dry. If you're using like a regular craft sort of paint, that usually dries within a couple of hours. But for interior paint for like drywalls and homes and things like that, I would wait at least 30 days or check with the paint manufacturer. Yes, you can. Actually, EasyPSV loves to stick to itself.
I'm gonna do it right now.
Yep, it does. It is layerable, absolutely. The only thing I do recommend is if you are to put graphics on interior drywall, to use the removable as your base surface. Always use permanent. EasyPSV permanent and glitter work great on mugs because it's made for outdoor surfaces, so it's more prone to elements and waterproof and things like that. So, but we do not recommend using it in the dishwasher though. It's not dishwasher safe.
But can I microwave it?
I don't recommend that either. Well, since some of the PSVs will vary as well as your vinyl cutters, so make sure to check out our website, www.siserna.com, for all of the latest cutter settings on there for you.
Yeah, and while you're there, you can read some of Melissa's blogs. She has some awesome craft ideas with PSV.
Oh, thanks, Lily. Well, there could be a few problems. If your vinyl is not sticking, for one, it might mean that your
Adhesive is all gunked up from your fingers.
yeah, that's one for
One of
sure. Could also mean that your surface is not clean, or maybe it's just a surface that doesn't accept vinyl. So, or make sure you're using the correct vinyl as well. So sometimes using the wrong vinyl might do that too.
So you mentioned we have a permanent, a removable, and glitter. Is there anything else we should tell them about?
Well, we also have an EasyPSV etch, which is probably one of my most favorite products.
Yeah.
It turns any surface into an etched look, so it's really pretty.
Which is really fun right now for the holidays too.
Yes. And also we have a chalkboard EasyPSV. That one's super fun. And it's CPSIA compliant, so it's safe around small children. And what else do we have? Glow in the dark?
Oh yeah, glow in the dark.
The EasyPSV Glow. That one's super fun.
Who doesn't love things to glow in the dark?
Yeah, it's actually a lot of fun for Halloween and stuff too.
That was like one of the problems when I was starting to cut out all this stuff, was that I realized we have so many great colors and so many great products. I was like, I can't decide. So I just went with Christmassy things, but the pink made it, of course.
Absolutely. to prevent them, it's going to depend on how you apply your vinyl. We do have a couple videos that show like little techniques that will make you eliminate those bubbles.
Like the hinge method.
Hinge method's a good one. Also, a good way to avoid bubbles is to have your clean surface, or make sure your paint's dry. Because if your paint isn't dry, it can outgas and it will cause bubbles in your vinyl. And then if it's a dirty surface,
this is why we asked the experts. You know?
If it's a dirty surface, any dust or dirt will also look like air bubbles, and you can't pop those, so they're kind of stuck in there forever if you get that. So clean surface, number one.
Good to have.
I like shadow boxes.
I
love shadow boxes because you can fill them with fun stuff. You can put lights in them, you can put garland in them, you can put anything in them. Bells. I have way too much fun with shadow boxes.
I don't know. After doing these glitter-filled ornaments once, and it was so easy, and they just look so cute. This might be my new favorite craft. Before, I definitely loved doing like the wood signs with PSV. I love the way that looks.
And I also love using the EasyPSV chalkboard to make those Christmas countdown signs.
Yeah.
You know, how many days until Christmas? Oh my gosh, how cute! I guess we did a girl and a boy anyway.
Yeah. Cute.